welcome to another episode of Sihali and Nature. In this new episode, we are going to talk about animals and their eating habits. We can divide animals into three groups, and they are carnivorous, herbivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous animals are animals that eat plants. They never eat flesh. For an example, this is Charlie the cute hamster. Usually they eat vegetables, grains and fruits. And on the other hand, we have carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals are animals that only eat flesh. They never eat plants. And they like to eat herbivorous animals. This is how they eat herbivorous animals. And this is our other new friend, Tiggy the cat, who thinks he's a tiger. And the other kind of animals are omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals are animals that eat plants and flesh. Bears, rats, and humans are examples for omnivorous animals. Let's talk more about this classification. This picture shows you how that classification happens. You can see few examples for herbivorous like cow, goat, rabbit, giraffe and a snail. And omnivorous like some kind of squirrel, bear, wild boar, some kind of birds, humans. And carnivorous like tigers, alligators, eagles, sharks and spiders. This is the biggest herbivorous on earth. Elephants have long trunks to pluck fresh leaves and best buds from trees. Their trunk is the most valuable gift they had from Mother Nature. It helps to fulfill their massive food requirements.
My name is Tiggy the tiger. I am the world's most dangerous tiger. Oops, sorry. Let's see some video clips about the three kinds of animals.
Hello cutie! Rabbit is a cute herbivorous on earth, but there is a very interesting fact about them. Do you know why they're chewing something always? Answer: if they stop chewing, their ever-growing teeth grow longer and longer within a few days. Oh, what a tragedy! Like this picture, they can't live with those long teeth if it happens. Let's have a glance on carnivorous. Lions have adapted teeth and jaws that are good in tearing flesh. We call lions as the kings and queens in the jungle because when they gather for a hunt, they can hunt big prey such as elephants. That's why people call them the rulers of the jungle. Hawks are most efficient hunters in the sky. They have very sharp beaks and sharp and strong nails that help them to catch their prey and carry it through the air. Their beak also works as a knife to tear and grab flesh out of their hunt. When we're talking about omnivorous, bear is one of the biggest omnivorous living land. They also have sharp and long teeth and nails. That is a gift from Mother Nature to hunt their prey. On the other hand, they really like fruits like berries, and their favorite meal is bee honey. They are ready to take any risk and climb anywhere to find delicious bee honey. This funny face omnivorous is called Raccoon. Their teeth are good in grinding and tearing flesh. Do you know raccoons are one of the main enemies of crocodiles? They eat their babies and drink eggs. And these are the few facts I found about animals and their eating habits. I wish to tell you more in the future. I found these facts from the internet, the books I read, and the TV programs. And I would also like to thank the owners of these images, and the script was written by me. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Sihali and Nature and join with me in my Facebook group. I am Sihali Vijay Singh. See you.